Get ready for an epic student life in Swansea. Welcome to Old Way Centre, where your academic dreams take flight. Step into stylish en-suites and modern studios featuring state-of-the-art amenities and expansive spaces. Need to study? A dedicated study room is perfect for focused sessions. For downtime, play in the games room, relax in the outdoor courtyard, or stay active at the on-site gym. Plus, with all utility bills included, you save a ton of money. An on-site security team and CCTV cameras keep you safe 24/7. Say goodbye to long commutes as you're short distance away from the University of Wales, Trinity St. David, and Swansea University. Craving coffee? HQ Urban Kitchen is nearby. Need groceries? Little Supermarket is a short walk away, and with Orchard Street bus stop close by, navigating the city is a breeze. So why wait? Book your spot at Old Way Centre Swansea and kickstart your adventure. Head over at amberstudent.com today to secure your dream student home.